Hi guys, my name is Ishaq. I am from 8th A section. Today I am going to show how to make a butterfly with paper. You can also take color papers. It can be more decorative. I will show them. Is it good? Let's try. Take a square paper and fold it diagonally and this side. And hold here beside this line and gently press this. You can get triangle. Then fold it to half. Then we should cut this into blunt. Let's cut. See, this is blunt. And open this. Fold this only one up to this line. And also this. We can get like this. Then take this part of the paper and inverse. This is to be pinned here and fold the paper like this. Butterfly is ready.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching this video.